Okay, everyone. So this is now this is a helpful tips for you how to make equation in Microsoft Word. Now, to make an equation in Microsoft Word, there are two ways. First one, I believe your your challenge is to how to make a exponent. So the first one is that you can make this one. Wait. Okay. Now this now X word. Now what you're going to do is that you can check now the superscript. So that's the first one on how to do it, right? So that is now how you work. However, there is some complexity that you want to work that out. So what are those some complexity? So what if you want to get in square root and other exponents? So that's how you're gonna work on. So there is a feature of Microsoft that you can use for this one, which is insert. Here in the symbol, you can either use equation or symbol. Now, but I usually use equation. So when you use equation, there are already built in, but however, insert new equation. I'm going to click now insert new equation. So you can now type in now equation. There are a lot of functionalities from fraction, scripting, which is superscript and subscript, radicals, and then for advancement, integrals, for summation, brackets, trigonometry, accent for geometry, and limits for calculus, and then operators for set theory. And then they have a lot of symbols that you want to use are here already. Now, if you want to use now exponent, you just type in x and then the ampersand and then squared and then space. That is now how easy to work on with that. So you can now have a variety of equation. For keyboard shortcut, you click in Alt equal sign. You have now another equation that you can type. So for example, I want to work on the fraction. I want to have now 3 over x. That's 3 slash x, and it will lead you to a fraction. You can explore equation editor by using Microsoft Word.